Hello, math lovers again. So we have been solving quadratic functions features and quadratic equations. So one of the questions here is about translation or transformation of the quadratic function again. So if you watch the previous video, you will notice that these questions are same question with the previous question. Okay, so they have asked in a different way. Now they put this question a little bit changing as a multiple choice question. So here in this question, you can pause the video and you can check the question. You can just tell your answer first, then you can compare my answer. Okay. So here in this question, function is x minus 2 whole square plus 1 is a vertex form, okay? They are asking what is true about the vertex of this parabola. As you know, again, f of x is equal to 8 times. Let's write the vertex form of a quadratic function, okay? This is the vertex form of quadratic function, and vertex is as h comma k. Pay attention here, h is negative, k is positive here, so we put here in the sign in front of h is negative actually, but when we are writing the vertex, we write as positive h, but k we don't change it, okay? So here is vertex 2 comma 1. Yeah, I heard that. Vertex is 2 comma 1. So vertex is, we compare the position of the vertex with the origin. As you see in all options, okay, we compare the vertex with the origin. So 2 comma 1, where it is located. As I mentioned in the previous video, 2 comma 1 is on the x-axis 2 units right, on the y-axis. It means like along y-axis 2 units up. 2 comma 1 point is this point, okay? Which means when you compare this point with an origin is here. So 2 units right side, 1 unit upward, okay? So 2 units right side, 1 unit upward. When I check here, 2 unit left, no. 2 unit right, it can be okay. Okay, 2 units up of the origin, no. 2 units down of the origin, no. 2 units right of the origin, 1 unit up of the origin, yeah. Answer B will be the correct answer for this question. If you watch the previous video, you understand with details. So I explain this question in my previous video with detail, okay? So this question has part B also. It says how does the graph of x plus 3 compare with f of x? Here in this, just like question, we don't need any equation of the functions. Just we can think about what kind of transformation it is. Since x plus 3, so x3 is next to x. They are different. Look, f of x plus 3 is different with f of x plus 3, okay? There was a video about this. There were two functions. One of them, f of x is given as x square. G of x is generated as x plus k whole square. And the h of x generated as x square plus k. K here is added inside the parentheses. K here is added outside of the parentheses. I explained in that video also. This is horizontal shift. This is horizontal shift, okay? Horizontal shift. But this is a vertical shift, okay? Vertical shift. Since it is 3 is added inside the parentheses, we will talk about horizontal shift. So when we are talking about horizontal shift, we need to check the sign in front of the 3. So sign in front of the 3 is positive. So if it is positive in the horizontal shift, we need to think about reverse okay, movement. So if it is plus, it should be moving to left side. Okay, it's an horizontal shift moving to left side. We need to check the options. There are two horizontal shift options here, 3 units definitely, not right side, moving to left of f of x. Okay, so option D will be correct option. So this one also you can practice with Desmos, as I showed in my previous video. With Desmos, you can practice it, okay? So when we have number inside the parentheses here, if f of x square you see here. So when you add something plus 2, you see it's going 2 units left side, not right side, okay? This one also by choosing a numerical number, because in the previous question it was given that k was non-real, uh, non-zero real number. So you can put some numerical number and you can try to understand what kind of graph it has. Okay, So for this question, part B, D option will be the correct answer. I hope you got the answer. I hope you understand what's going on in this question. See you in the next video.